Dinala po nila ako sa tapat ng 7-Eleven. Nananakit po sila hanggang doon po sa may 7-Eleven. Every time na magtatanong po ako sa kanila, ano pong kasalanan ko or yung rights ko, halimbawa yung alam ko, nagtatanong po ako sa kanila ng warrant, ang sagot nila sa akin batok. Dumating po yung time na may naringgan pa ako sa kanila parang ito po yata yung nagtanong ako ng warrant na parang may naumimik po sa kanila na buti hindi kayo tumba o gusto mo itumba ka namin, parang ganon.
Okay, go ahead. Who is the Intel? Okay, go ahead. Chief.
Good morning, Your Honors. I am Police Major Marlon Calonge, the Deputy Chief of Police and currently the Chief of the Drug Enforcement Unit of San Pedro City Police Stations. It appears on our record that there is a bypass operations transpired on May 18, 2023. The place of arrest is in Putol, Quezon Street, Barangay Cuyab, San Pedro City, Laguna. The compositions of that bypass operations, was team led by Police Staff Sergeant Andy Guerrilla, Puser Bayer, Patrolman Jmar Tamaray, the backup security, Police Corporal Oliver Lorenzana. The designated photographer at the time is Police Corporal Mungkal. The investigator in case is Police Staff Sergeant Jomar Lacaba. And the duty PDEA coordinator was Patrolman Aljon Ebenga. So it transpired based on our records, Your Honor, that the case filed at Honorable Inquest Prosecutor at Office of the City Prosecutor, San Pedro City, Laguna. And it was referred, Your Honor, to the City Prosecutor with the suspect stated herein, Louis Franco Kilaw E. Barion, alias Louis, 43 years old, resident of Barangay Cuyab, San Pedro City, Laguna, for violations of Section 5 and 11 under Article 2 of RA 9165, which transpired on or about 7:18 in the evening on May 18, 2003 at Sitio Putol, Quezon Street at Barangay Cuyab, San Pedro City. The arresting officer, Your Honor, is Patrolman Jamie Tamaray and Corporal Lorenzana. And they are both members of drug enforcement team of San Pedro City. The status of the case, Your Honors, is already based on our records in the City Prosecutor's Office. The information was filed in the Regional Trial Court of San Pedro, Your Honors.
Is that it, Chip? Yan na po ba yun? Are you going to add something else? Or asan po ba yung mga grupo mo ng team? No?
Yes, sir.
Can you kindly introduce the team that conducted the
Your Honor,
bypass
may
operation?
I request to present the team?
Okay, go ahead.
Please stand to the room. The team leader, Your Honors, Police Staff Sergeant Andy Guerrilla, the Puser Bayer, Patrolman Jmar Tamaray, the backup security, Police Corporal Oliver Lorenzana, the photographer, and also the videographer who have the body-worn camera during the time is Patrolman Corporal Froilan Mungkal. Investigator in case, Police Staff Sergeant Jomar Lacaba, Your Honor. Your Honor, please, may I request the arresting officer to narrate what happened during the arrest, Your Honor.
I'll be requesting all the members of the team who conducted the bypass operation to sit behind you, no? Alam ko wala naman tayong mga extra chairs na lang. So sit on the back, ano? Para if ever the members will be asking questions in a while, so we will be easily recognize them. So go ahead, Chip.
Your Honor, for the meantime, this is the report of for the San Pedro CPS, Your Honor.
Okay, so thank you so much, Chief ng Intel ng City of San Pedro. If that's the story behind the bypass operation that you have narrated in this committee, given the opportunity for all of you to discuss it, no? Maybe in a while we will be asking questions on that, but for the meantime we'll be asking yung mga suspect, no? And then according to them, victim po sila, no? But according to the PNP, mga suspect po sila. So probably siguro yung we have invited yung nahuli, no? Siya ba yung nahuli? Si Louie Kilaw, no? Si Louie Kilaw yung na-subject doon po sa bypass operation na kinukwento po ng ating pong mga kapulisan dito po sa San Pedro. At nakulong itong si suspect noong August 18 nata, no? August 18. So can you kindly pakinarate po natin yung sitwasyon na nangyari, no? Unahin na po natin yung yung suspect, yung suspect muna, si Louie Kilaw. You are recognized.
Okay.
Pakikwento lamang yung pangyayari. Kung ano nangyari doon sa pagkakahuli sa iyo, no? Pakikwento.
Ayun, good morning po, Mr. Chair, sa lahat po. Ayun,
Pakilakas mo lang yung boses mo,
Apo. Meron pong lot outlet yung kapatid ko na ako po yung nagmamanage sa kanya. Tapos daily po nagde-deposit kami from kadalasan po 2 to 3 PM bago po mag break yung bago mag closing time po yung land bank. May 18 po no nung papunta po ako ng lotto outlet para kunin yung pera. Magde-deposit po namin sa land bank. Then bigla na lang pong may humarang sa akin na actually hindi po hinarang. Galing po siya sa likod, pinigil niya ako. Sabi niya sa akin, huwag ka tatakbo. May baril po siya. Yung baril niya, parang nakakmang aim na ibabaril niya sa akin. Parang ganon. Huwag kang tatakbo. Di, ang akala ko nung una, hold up. Tapos tinabi ko lang po. Ay pag-cooperate po ako sa kanila. At wala naman pong nagpapakilala ng pulis noon. Then bigla na lang po silang dumami. Hindi ko po alam kung saan sila nagagaling. Bigla po silang dumami na bigla na lang po may nagposa sa akin. Kinuha yung bag ko. Yung bag ko po, wala naman po alaman po noon. Waste, lang. Cellphone, wifi. Then 300 pesos na panggas sa motor ko po. Medyo mabigat po yung approach nila sa akin. Parang hardened criminal yung dating mo na mabigat yung kamay nila, ganon. Nananakit sila. Ang unang tanong nila sa akin, nung
Mr. Chairman,
approach sila sa akin.
Mr. Chairman.
Okay, Congressman.
Indulgence to the witness, Mr. Chairman. Before we proceed, can we ask the witness to take off his mask so that we can see his face?
Okay.
And how he answers the question of the members of this committee. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
All right. Can you also move for the siguro take the oath of everybody, no? Hindi pa eh. Sige, let's take their oath muna, no? Lahat ng mga invited for this hearing.
Good morning po. Lahat po nung imbitado na taga San Pedro City and Pasig City, including the Philippine National Police po. Pwede pong tumayo. Pakitaas po ang kanang kamay. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this investigation? I do. Thank you po. Please take your seat.
Okay, go ahead. Louie Kilaw, go ahead.
Hello. Yun po, yung andun na po sa pinara nila ako, gano'n, tatanong nila sa akin kung nasan yung pera. Yun po yung unang tanong nila sa akin. Tapos, wala naman po ako may pakitang pera kasi hindi pa po ako nakakarating sa outlet para kunin yung pera. Then, tatanong po nila sa akin, nasan yung basura? Saan yung basura mo? Sabi ko, wala po akong basura, wala po akong pera. Ayun po, pinasasana nila ako, dinala po nila ako sa tapat ng 7-Eleven. Nananakit po sila hanggang doon po sa may 7-Eleven. Every time na magtatanong po ako sa kanila ano pong kasalanan ko o yung rights ko, halimbawa yung alam ko, nagtatanong po ako sa kanila ng warrant, ang sagot nila sa akin batok. Dumating po yung time na may naringgan pa ako sa kanila ng parang ito po yata yung nagtanong ako ng warrant na parang may naumimik po sa kanila na buti hindi kayo tumba o gusto mo itumba ka namin, parang ganon. Tapos nung nasa may 7-Eleven na po kami, inipit po ako nung dalawang nagpakilalang pulis na sa motor, ipit po nila ako sa motor. Umalis po kami doon sa may 7-Eleven, hindi ko po alam saan kami pupunta, pero pabalik po pala sa bahay namin. Ayun, doon na po pumasok yung pagbalik namin sa bahay namin. Pinasok po nila yung bahay, nag-search po sila. Doon may nananakit sa amin, ganon. Andun din po yung anak ko nung time na yon. Sabi ko lang doon sa anak ko, pasok sa loob, kaya lang may kialam, parang ganon. Tapos ayun, sinearch po nila yung bahay, wala naman po sila nakuha. May naringgan po kaming boses na sinasabi lang po nila, pull out pasita, wala, hindi yata yan, parang ganon. Ayun po, dinala na po nila ako sa Pasita. Pasita Station, dinala na po nila ako doon. Tapos doon na po ako nagstay. Medyo matagal-tagal din po yung stay ko doon. Doon po pumasok yung pananakit nila. Nananakit po sila kahit nakaposas ako. May mga ebidensya naman po ako na kahit po sa jail, nakikita yung pasa sa mga hita ko, ganon. Nung time na yun, wala po akong parang pakiramdam ko, wala akong rights para tumingin sa mukha nila. Yun lang po, Your Honor.